Okay everybody, today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Honda CR-V. Some CR-Vs probably have a similar design. I believe this one in particular covers the years 2017 to 2022. If any of that changes, I'll throw some text in the video and you can see which years it actually are. Replacing this on your car is actually pretty easy to do. It's located right behind the glove box located right there. And normally you want to replace this one, you know, maybe it's been a while since you've replaced it, or maybe on your climate control, your airflow isn't as good as it used to be, your air feels weak. This might be the problem right here. And it's good to have this because, you know, this keeps dirt and such off your ducts, off your evaporator, heat exchanger, and definitely good thing to have clean air in your car, right? All right, so let's go ahead and show you how to take out the old one and put in the new one. All right, so first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your glove box, like so. And if you have anything inside of it, it'd probably be a good idea to just take it all out and put it right on top of the seat, like I've already done. Okay, so what you want to do is there's a couple things you need to do in order to get this door out of the way here. You may notice there's a tab here on the right side and another one here on the left side, right up there. You see that? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take each side, the right and the left, and you want to push it in order to help this tab right here clear the edges and come free to let you lower the door. So I'm going to show you this side right here. Actually, I'm going to do both at the same time, okay? Right and left, push them in. There you go. And as you can see now, each tab is free. Now the other thing you have to do is, you're going to have like another little latch, I guess, of sorts right here. And what you want to do is, you notice how it's ribbed on this top piece right here? You want to go ahead and basically lift up the door a little bit and then push this latch down in order to free the door from it. So let me try doing that right now. It may take a little bit of effort. Oh, there we go. Okay, and the door just folds down like that, just like so. And over here, we see this little door right here, or a cover, I guess, is where your cabin air filter, excuse me, is located. And as you can see, this says up. Now, I just want to let you know, this pertains to the cover itself. This does not pertain to the filter. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unlatch the left side here, okay, and the right side. Your cover comes off, set that aside. And there's your air filter right there, okay? Now what you do is you just grab onto it and just pull it out. Now keep it in the orientation that it is, and I'll tell you why in just a second. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. And yeah, it definitely looks gray, I guess you could say. You know, it definitely has use on it, if you want to put it that way. Now the reason why I said to keep it the same orientation is because if you look over here on the left, you'll notice there's the Honda name, and you'll notice the airflow facing down. And that's why I said that that direction before only pertains to the cover, because as you can see, the airflow for this filter, you want to go down, opposite of what the cover says, okay? So airflow goes down, just as you see. And just a little comparison shot right here. Here's the old one, as you can see. Definitely has some dirt on it. And if you look at the top one, oh yeah, much more white and clean and ready to use compared to the old one, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and get it in now. So as before, as you saw in the old filter, you want the airflow to go down. So we're going to install it this way. Now the part that you see the print on, that can either go on the left side or the right side. So as long as it's on one of those sides, you're putting it in the correct way. So we'll put it on the left just because that's how it was before, and facing down. Yep. So we're just going to go ahead and slide it right on in there. Oh, fits in beautifully. Look at that. Okay, so new filter is in. Then we're going to go ahead and put the cover on. Now remember, this cover does face up, as it shows. So we'll do that right now. May be a little fidgety, but... okay, yeah, both sides snapped in. One just went in a little bit smoother than the other. But there you go. The air filter is now in. So let's go ahead and get the door back in place. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put the door back in place. So what you want to do is you want to, so remember, this hook right here on this latch fits below the little rod, if you want to call it that right there, okay? So you want to lift the door up and get this in the lower portion of the opening there. Then once it makes contact, push it up till it snaps. Just like that, okay? So that's back in place. Now, for the side latches here, you may be able, they may just slide back in place, but if you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just push it again until they clear. And there you go. Door's back in place. Now go ahead and close it. And there you go. And that right there is how you replace your cabin air filter in your Honda CR-V. As you can see, very simple job to do. So if you have to get a new one, I would do it yourself because you can see it's a very easy job to do, and you could definitely save yourself probably $100 to $200 in labor by doing it yourself. So definitely worth it. So there you go. Cabin air filter is done, all set. Nice and easy job to do. You can definitely do it yourself. And good luck if you try it yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.